I will outline the basic tools I believe you need to get you started with your first few trees at least. Concave cutters or branch cutters. Used for removing branches of the tree, leaving a concave cut or an inward curved cut. Using other tools to remove a branch will usually leave a knob. As the tree starts to heal, scar tissue will form and this will leave a deformity or lump. Using concave cutters to remove a branch will leave an inward curved cut, and as this heals, the scar tissue will hopefully finish off flush. Pruning shears. Used for pruning foliage, small branches and fine roots. Trying to remove heavier branches or cutting through thick roots may cause them to bend out of shape. Use your branch cutters whenever possible for those type of jobs and not your shears. I learnt this the hard way. Wire cutters. Used for cutting wire to length as well as for removing wire from your tree once the limb has set or before wire begins to cut into your tree. Trying to unwind the wire from a branch may cause damage to the bark or breaking of the branch, so cutting the wire off with wire cutters is a much safer option. Never use any of your other tools to cut wire, as this can seriously damage them. This too I learnt the hard way. Knob cutters. The rounded head and grooved out inside allows for removal of larger branches and gouging out of bark where necessary. Root rake. The root rake is for gently teasing out the roots and loosening the soil around the roots and trunk before repotting and root pruning. Chopstick. The chopstick is the perfect tool to use for gently pushing soil in and around the roots of your newly potted bonsai to remove any air pockets around the roots. Leaving air pockets for roots to grow into may cause them to dry out and die, possibly killing off parts of your tree. Keep your tools sharp and clean and only use them for the jobs they are designed for, and you should get years of use from them.